Hi there, and welcome to Hotel 133. This will be a virtual class, so I'm just sending a quick message with some information on how to get started in the class. I am opening the class early so you can navigate around Blackboard, get your textbook if you need it, but the class does not start until February 19th, so you have a couple weeks before the class actually starts. Again, this will be a virtual class, so we'll actually be meeting via Zoom. If you've never used Zoom before, it's pretty easy. I actually have links right in Blackboard that I'll show you where you can find them. And you just click on that link and it kind of just logs you right in. You may, for some students, they are required to set up like a username and a password. Some get that message, some don't. You can access it from your phone or from your laptop or tablet, whatever you have. If you're doing it from your phone or like a laptop, I do recommend downloading the Zoom app. It's a lot, it just takes you right there. So I'm going to show you a couple things on Blackboard on where to get started. So once you open the class, I'm in the class right now, you're going to go to this click here to get started. So on that very first day, February 17th, you actually have 3 assignments that are due, 3 easy assignments. So it shouldn't take you longer than 20 minutes. The first is a discussion board introduction. So I'm going to just have you answer a few questions. That way I can get to know you a little better. Your classmates can get to know you a little better. The second one is a journal introduction. So that actually just goes to me. And I just have some questions there. I just want to find out, what are you looking to really get out of the class? What resources do you need? What things might help you be successful in the class? And then the last item is the signed syllabus page. So you can find the syllabus in numerous places. And what you'll do is you either print out that last page or you can copy and paste it. It just maybe sometimes it's hard, depending on what type of system you're using, to copy and paste it. But print it off. If you have a scanner at home, you can scan it and upload it to Blackboard. Otherwise, you can actually use your smartphone. Just take a picture of it. So you printed it off, you signed it, you can just take a picture of it and upload it right to Blackboard. So those are the 3 assignments that you have due on the 17th. I'm just going to show you where to get started. So right here where it says click here to get started, you're going to click on that tab. And it has a variety of information. Just click here as well. So this gives you some course information. It goes, so again, this class starts on the 17th. We end on May 19th. We meet every Friday virtually. Again, attendance is not required, and we'll talk about that. Class attendance is required. But moving forward, attendance is not necessarily required, but your participation is, meaning you must complete at least 1 assignment to be considered present in the class. And I'll talk more about that in that first class. If you are not completing an assignment every week, then you will be marked absent, and then that's when you run the risk of being dropped from the class. So again, course information. I'm going to scroll down. Here's your textbook information. You can order this text. This is just a navigation, tells you about Blackboard. Oops, my screen has frozen a little bit. This is how to use Zoom. If you've never used Zoom before, I have a YouTube video here that shows you how to use it. Again, when you see the Zoom links, you'll just click on those. This is the assignment and syllabus, so you can click on those. This is my office hours, my student support office hours. This is my phone number, so the best thing is to either text me or email me. Those are the 2 best ways to connect with me with any questions you might have. And then here are those 3 assignments that are due. You can actually also find them. I'm going to scroll back up. Under the weekly lessons and activities, I'm going to just show you this really quickly. So again, here's the syllabus and assignment schedule, how to use Zoom, and then you see the Zoom link under each folder of every week. So you can also click on it there as well. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free to email me, or you can also text me. And I look forward to seeing you all on the first day of class on that February 17th.